2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you?
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you for being here today. I so appreciate it. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. I am coming to you again on a rainy Sunday morning. Can you believe it? It is becoming a trend. God has a good sense of humor. Anyways, I'm coming to you today with a video and eye look that was inspired by another YouTuber. Her name is Sherri G. I watch her channel all the time because she does BoxyCharm spoilers, and plus I just really enjoy her personality. But she had a look that she did with a BoxyCharm palette, which is the Violet Voss Essentials that we got last month in our BoxyCharm, and she did a beautiful warm smoky eye look, and she did a little tutorial. I'll link that up there for you and also link her channel down below, because if you like BoxyCharm spoilers, she's a good one to watch. She's one of the two that I really like. Her and Elizabeth Wolf are the two that I depend on to find out what is coming in BoxyCharm that month. But anyway, she did a beautiful warm smoky eye with this palette, and it was super simple, and I thought, man, I'm feeling fall. This looks like a beautiful fall eye look, and so I am going to try to recreate it. So if you would like to see my recreation of this Sherri G warm smoky eye, then please keep watching. My face is already done, obviously. My eyes are already primed with a mixture of Painterly and Golden Ochre. Yeah, Golden Ochre. You know what, I'm getting the colors mixed up, I know, because that's a ABH Soft Ochre. Soft Ochre and Painterly, a combination of those two, and set down with Wet n Wild Creme Brulee just to set down the primer. So I am going to start off, I am going to put a Sherri spin on it, just like you guys know, just because I want a little bit more of a transition color and a gradient. I'm going to go in with the color that she did not use, which is Sand, and I'm going to start just by putting that all over the transition area, just to have something that's going to assist in the blending process. I'm going to see a victory. I'm going to see a victory. The battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. Oh, let me bring you in and welcome to my face, like Coffee Break with Danny says. Welcome to my face. Next, I'm going to take a flat shader brush and go into the shade Cinnamon, and that is going to go all the way over all the way across the lid and up into the crease just a little bit.
I can't stop thinking about you. My body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Next, I'm going to take the shade Terracotta, and I'm going to put it in between those two shades just to kind of make a gradient there. I'm going to build that up slowly. Next to deepen up the crease, I'm going to go into black just a little tiny bit, just to deepen up the outer corner. And I'm going to blend that out with the brush that has the orange on it. Alright, I'm going to take the same brush that I used to put cinnamon on my lid and put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to go in and see if I need any additional product. I'm probably just going to smoke it out with what's on this brush already. Alright folks, is that warm and smoky or what? I think it's beautiful. I really love this palette and love the shade Cinnamon in particular. But I am going to take a little bitty brush and put a little bit of the shade Cream, which is a shimmer, on my inner corner and also on a little bit on my brow bone because it's so dark and smoky that I kind of want a little bit of lightness up there. Okay, that's it. Ooh, warm, smoky, smoky, warm. All right, I am going to go put on a winged eyeliner, some mascara, and some lashes. I'll be using, got some stuff in my eyebrows there, this Trestique mascara that came in the BoxyCharm with that funky business thing that I won't use, but she was using this mascara and she loved it and I was like, oh, let me try it again. But I'm going to use that and Superhero by IT Cosmetics for liner and the liquid lash extensions by Thrive for the upper lashes. I don't know what lashes I'll put on. I kind of want, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Spellbound by House of Lashes. I'm stuck on these lashes. They're so gorgeous. They make everything more gorgeous. So that's what I'll have on my face when I come back. So, excuse please. Alright folks, I'm back. These lashes are so flippin' gorgeous, you guys. I'm letting my lash glue dry while I do a lippy. I'm going to zoom out a tad so you can see what I'm doing. I cannot make up my mind. I have a pretty bold eye, which makes me think I should go with a nudie lip. But I also have this beautiful kind of vampy lip. I cannot make up my mind. This peachy one, I just don't know if it's going to match. But when I put it up here, it really kind of does. So I'm going to try the peachy one and see how it looks. And if I hate it, I'll go over it with the other one. We'll see how it goes. But I am using the Plump Line lip liner from Buxom called Ransom and the Dose of Cuddlers lippy called Bear With Me. Let's give it a roll. I don't know about this. I think it looks crazy. I don't know. I'm gonna let it dry and gonna go over my lash band and all that jazz and then we'll make a decision. just don't think I like the lip. I keep looking at it and it's just like, I don't know. I just don't think I like it. It's just too light. I'm gonna take it off and try not to jack up the rest of my makeup in the process. And I'm gonna put on the other one. The other one is Plump Line Lip Liner in Espionage, and the color is called Mood. We're gonna go with that.
I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get a feeling like I need your
I changed to Covert Affair. This is the craziest lip situation I have ever had. There's a little bit left of everything that was on there. Hopefully this matches the lip liner a little bit. Sort of, kinda. I don't know if that's too much, you guys. If it's too much, well, it wouldn't be the first time. Okay, I have to go get ready for church. It is church day, but it is also my best friend Becky's birthday. So I love you, Becky. Happy birthday. We're getting ready to go to church and go to lunch with her family to celebrate her special day. So happy birthday, Becky. All right, folks, this is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom you all the way out. Take a gander. I'll go get dressed and then I'll be back to say goodbye and we'll be out of here. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed seeing this warm smoky eye tutorial. Make sure you go check out Yarji's channel. I really enjoy her personality and her channel overall. She does a great job, so go check her out. But as for now, I have to get on to church and to the birthday celebration. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot.